Given that f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 20x minus 16, express f of x in the form a times x plus b all that squared plus c, where a, b, c, they belong to the set of real numbers. For us to express f in this form, we are going to make use of the method of completing the squares. Take the function f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 20x minus 16. You'll see that the coefficient of x squared is different from 1, it is 5. We are going to start by factorizing 5. 5 times x squared gives us 5x squared plus 5 times 4x gives us 20x minus, if we take 5 times 16 over 5, this will give us negative 16. We are going to take what we have in the bracket, this, then we factorize it by making use of completing the squares. X squared plus 4x minus 16 all over 5. This will simply be equal to x squared plus 4x plus, we are going to add half the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 4. All that squared plus 2 squared. Then we are going to subtract half the coefficient of x, all that squared. You'll see 2 squared minus 2 squared goes to 0, minus 16 over 5. Nothing new has been created. They are equal. This will simply be equal to, this is a perfect square with factorization x plus 2 all this squared minus 2 squared gives us 4, which can be written as 4 over 1, minus 16 on 5. This will simply be equal to x plus 2 all this squared minus, we are going to factor the negative sign. We take 4 over 1 plus 16 over 5. This will be equal to x minus x plus 2 all this squared minus, we have to add these two numbers in bracket. The LCM of the denominators, the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 divided by 1 remains 5 times 4, 20, plus 5 divided by 5 gives us 1 times 16 gives 16. This will be equal to x plus 2 all this squared minus 20 plus 16 gives us 36 over 5. We are going to move back to our function f of x. It will simply be equal to, recall that we factor out 5 times this, which is x plus 2 all this squared minus 36 over 5. You'll see that it is in the form a times x plus b plus c. You'll see that it is in the form a times x plus b all this squared plus c, of which our a will simply be 5, comma, our b is 2, and our c is negative 36 all over 5. 5, 2, and negative 36 over 5, they are all elements of the set of real numbers. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.